It's not an easy journey, to be honest, Sir Louie. 1 year po namin siyang pinagpipray.
So ano naman guys, so at the bottom, meron tayo.
Well, the story behind po sa mismong branch, no? Actually, originally po, ang pinaka-plan talaga natin dito sa location na to is si plain and simple office together with the studio. Yun lang yung plan. Siguro we are guided by God na, so why not let's put a small coffee shop? Hindi, parang nakikita ko, we will be catering a lot of gatherings, families, friends, yung mga students na gustong mag-aral overnight. So, ito na po siya. Ayan. This Binko HQ branch, the biggest ni Binko. Ayan. For any private events, mga intimate events, mga gusto mag-bridal shower, baby shower, or talagang simpleng birthday gathering with the family, yung family ninyo, or kasama yung mga kaibigan, or minsan kahit mga corporate dinners, ganyan. Gusto nyo mag-coffee kasama ng mga colleagues natin, pwede po tayo mag-cater dito. Dun sa studio area po natin, it can accommodate up to 35 packs. Pero if they wanted to rent the whole place, pwedeng-pwede din po. We can actually cater up to 70 packs or more kung aayusin din po natin yung upuan. So,
Again guys, welcome to our video, and syempre kasama natin si Sir MJ.
Yes.
And isa po siya sa mga may pakana kung bakit may Binko HQ. At saka plain and simple.
Thank you.
Yes. And right now, congratulations, meron po silang shawarma ng bayan.
Hey. Which is later, titikman naman natin yun.
Excited ka na?
Actually, excited ako.
But for now guys, let's feature ko na po yung mga available dito po sa Binko.
Actually, sir, my personal favorite dito is yung Batterol Overload.
Really?
And then, pangalawa is yung matcha sea salt.
Okay.
May sea salt siya sa taas.
Okay.
And then, for coffee base naman, sir, sea salt latte. Tapos, we also have chocolatera, pinagsamang chocolate and coffee.
Chocolatera.
One of the best, sir. Plus, we also have Biscoff Latte.
Oh,
Yeah,
I tried that
Biscoff
before.
Latte.
It's
Yeah.
a must try.
Tapos, for non-coffee, we also have strawberry cinnamon toast latte. One of the OG ng Binko, sir. Since 2019. Si Coffee Jelly.
Coffee jelly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, actually good for sharing naman siya.
Ah.
Good for sharing.
And very affordable, sir. May mga pastries tayo.
Yes.
We have brownies overload.
Ooh.
And then this one naman, kilalang kilala to, best egg pie in town.
Best egg pie in town. Meron din tayong ube flavor na egg pie.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Meron
Wow,
din tayo.
grabe.
And for the mga tarts natin,
Yes, sir. Meron tayong Japanese egg tart. Tapos meron din tayong blueberry cheese tart. And then meron tayong mga mahihilig sa fruits naman dyan,
Yes.
cheese egg tart.
Cheese egg tart. Okay.
so una ko nang titirahin ako ng best
Best egg
egg
pie.
pie.
Pakita mo, brother.
With,
So, ito yung mga ma-enjoy nila dito, di ba? And when they, kumbaga, rent the place, and then ito yung mga ma-consume nila.
Yes, sir.
and consumable.
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 Kumbaga parang siyang walang rent fee.
Correct.
For all, pwede nilang gamitin yung pera na yun to
Yeah.
order food, drinks,
Yeah.
shawarma.
Okay. So, I'm gonna try their cinnamon toast latte. There you go. Go, bro.
Ang sarap na. Ang sarap.
Really? Okay, I'm gonna have the other half, huh? So, ako naman, guys. Let me... Alright. So, at the bottom, meron tayo parang ube pili. Ay, grabe. Ang sarap nga.
Before that, ang unang business talaga ng gusto ko makuha is shawarma.
Shawarma.
So, 9 years na yung business na nasa clothing industry ako.
Ano yung meron sa shawarma na talagang
Hinahanap.
hinahanap?
Kapag kumain mo ng shawarma sauce na hindi ko, parang siya. Makikita niyo yung sauce niya, sir, one of the best sauce na makikita mo dito sa Pampanga.
think sauce talaga yung
Hahabol
magdadala.
Yes,
no?
yes, yes.
For Binko HQ po, we operate at 3 p.m. to 3 p.m. daily. And for Shawarma ng Bayan naman po, they operate at 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. as well. So, kung naghahanap po sila ng comfy, cozy place, actually, it's like a living room outside your home. So, we welcome you here in Binko HQ. Hopefully, makasama din po namin sila together with your friends and family. Our friendly baristas will greet you up front and we will guide you throughout the menu. Kaya gusto nyo po ng espresso, cold brew-based drink, matcha, fruit-based drinks, or chocolate, whatever it is, maybe we have something for you to look forward to. So, we hope to see you soon here at Binko HQ.
Alright, so ayun guys, finally matitikman natin for the first time ever
Yes.
shawarma ng bayan. Sir MJ, parang nakita ko doon may mga promo kayo or buy one take one, parang ganun.
Shawarma wrap natin is buy one take one, starts at 100 pesos.
100 pesos.
Yes. Tapos we also have shawarma rice.
Yeah.
And then meron tayong shawarma salad. Tapos pwede kayong kumain dito sa place na to.
Pag di naman umuulan, yan parang ganun street side, no?
Street side.
Where are we located?
We're located at McArthur Highway, Pulungbulu. Malapit siya sa may Pangilinan and sa may Yokohama Motech
Yes.
and sa may Shell gas station. 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. Soon, mag-open din tayo sa Grab and Food Panda. Hindi nyo kailangan mag-worry kasi pwedeng kumain sa loob ng Binko kasi collaboration to ng coffee and shawarma.
Nice.
Congratulations, cheers!
Yes.
Cheers, brother! Cheers, brother! Cheers, brother! Alright, let's eat. Congratulations, MJ!
So habang kumakain tayo, we would like to thank you for joining us. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you here.
Thank you for watching Where in Pampanga. Till our next discovery. Peace out! Peace out! Bagong whip, bro! Bagong whip!